Are you kidding? Call him Charlie.
Charlie.
Just touch the cat.
Yeah,
Just touch it. It's your
no,
cat.
No, don't touch it. Don't touch
It's
it.
your
Don't
cat.
touch it. No.
Hey, it's your cat, so you should touch it. Like, come here. After like years of neglection.
What you do? You get all on you, like, you know, those color in the face. His eyes are like green. That's the weird. It's like in pain.
I know, it is in pain. Oh my god, I swear I'm gonna go take him to the vet.
Really?
Like,
No, for real, I probably will.
Like, how long have you had this cat? Years? How long do you treat it? Like about a month. Like about a month.
Oh my god.
What the hell? How's this cat still alive? Good question.
My grandpa feeds him.
Oh, I invented him.
It's like not my fault. I got kicked out already.
But you don't get close to it.
Probably has fleas.
I know.
I mean, look.
Look
Oh.
at it, look at it.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I got in a fight.
That's like cancer. That's so gross.
Oh, I'm gonna go cry.
Go cry your roof after years of neglection. Look what you did.
I